right, so locating rational numbers on a number line, page 12. Basically what they're saying is, it's easy to do. And then they get right into the first example. Example number 4. Locate the rational numbers 3/5 and negative 2 4/10 on the number line. So we want those two numbers on the number line. 3/5 and negative 2.4, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what two numbers is this point between? This one here. That fraction. Yes. Sarah? No. That's your sister, right? Ms. Jackson?
0 and 1.
Between 0 and 1. So I know I need 0, and I know I need 1 on my number line. Where's this number fall between? Sophie. Sophia.
Negative 3 and negative 2.
Negative 2 and negative 3. So the smallest number I need is negative 3. So I'm going to start that there. And the biggest number I need is 1. So I'm going to put that there. And then I'll fill in. Negative 2, negative 1. And then what is that one?
0.
0. Okay. So the first point, this 3/5, we already said it lives in this gap between 0 and 1. What do I want to divide that gap up into?
5s. Sorry. 5s.
Erica.
5s.
5ths. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many over shall I count?
Oh, 3.
3. Good. So 1, 2, 3. Choose a different color. And presto, changeo. That's where 3/5 lives on a number line. So that's locating that number on a number line.
Can I just make a comment? I see
Yep.
a lot of people doing a really nice job diligently copying notes. Some of you, and myself included, learn better when you're writing and taking notes, and you might need to know that about yourself. However, and that's fine, keep doing it if you're doing it because it helps you learn. But I do want you to know the exact thing he's doing is right in your textbook. So don't feel if you hate writing and it's a pain in the neck and you can't concentrate on Mr. Hampshire and writing, you don't have to write it, it's in your book.
Thank you. Yep, absolutely. And then the next number was negative 2 and 4/10. Between what two numbers where does that live? Between what two numbers? I know, right? Chase.
Negative 2 and negative 3.
Between negative 2 and negative 3. What do I want to divide that space up into? What kind of divisions? Tyler?
4s.
Not, even though there's a 4 there, it makes it look like that.
Oh, yeah.
But if I wrote that as 2 and 4/10, I think you'll know what?
Tenths.
Tenths. Very good. So I want tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many tenths over do I want? How many tenths over? Hussey?
4.
4/10. Very good. Now, I'm going to be very careful because I'm on the negative side of my number line. Should I count from here over 4, or should I count from here over 4? Give me a clue on your first name, sorry. I don't want to do Miss Jackson again.
Starts with an L.
An L. Lauren?
Laura.
Laura. Laura.
Start from the 2.
Start from the negative 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where that point lives. Very good. Okay? So there's kind of like a two-step process sometimes. Decide where it lives, break it up according to the denominator, and then pinpoint where it lives exactly. And that's how you get, the more exact you can draw your spaces out, your divisions, the more exact your point will be on the number line. Okay? But you don't have to like stress over it. Just do the best you can. Okay? And next is your practice. Look at page, we're on 12. The top of page 13. They give you step-by-step directions. Okay? So as you're trying 12, 13, 14, and 15, follow the step-by-step directions. You're putting The points from number 12, those 2 points, 1/6 and 15/3 on one number line, and then you're drawing a new number line for number 13 and putting those 2 points on. And then draw a new number line for number 14, put those 2 points on, and then a new number line for number 15 and do those 2 points. Okay? Because of the fire drill, we're not going to finish this, but I would like to at least check one of them before you leave. So, yes?
Do we have any homework?
No, not on the weekend. Yes! Yes. Well, give it a try, and then when you're sure, or if you have a question, then I'll tell you yes or no. Good job.